My brother's feeding the chickens. I like that story. That story is so funny. I like to say. I like stories like that. It takes me back. Right here. Write the nouns from the story in the correct columns. Remember, underline, highlight, annotate. Annotate means to what? Underline and highlight. So you don't be looking all crazy and, oh my God, I can't find it. Oh my God, I can't find it. Underline, annotate, highlight with a yellow highlight marker. I use a pen. People, family, neighbor, uncle, brother. Animals, cows, hens, horse, chickens. Place, farm, barn, field. Tractor, things, tractor, milk, eggs. These are nouns. Where did I get these nouns from? The story. The story. The story, okay? Don't say, oh my God, where did she get those nouns from? No. I got from the story, okay? Read the story. It's right here. Everything you want to know, or your answers are right here in the story, okay? Read the story. People, family, neighbor, uncle, brother. Animals, cows, hens, horse, chickens. Places, farm, barn, field. Things, tractor, milk, eggs. And where did I get all these from? The story. Okay? Thank you.